In this lesson, we will solve the equation 2 to the x minus 3 to the x equals the square root of 6 to the x minus 9 to the x. We will move carefully step by step and keep everything real and valid. Step 1. Analyze the square root. For the square root to be real, the inside must be at least 0. So 6 to the x minus 9 to the x is greater than or equal to 0. Also, the square root is never negative, so the left side must be greater than or equal to 0. 2 to the x minus 3 to the x is greater than or equal to 0. Both inequalities together imply x must be less than or equal to 0. Step 2. Square both sides to remove the square root. We get left side squared equals right side squared. Expand the left using the pattern a minus b quantity squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Step 3. Simplify using exponent rules. 2 to the x squared becomes 4 to the x. 3 to the x squared becomes 9 to the x. And 2 to the x times 3 to the x is 6 to the x. Now move everything to one side and combine like terms. Step 4. Divide both sides by 9 to the x to prepare a substitution. Then set u equal to left parenthesis 2 over 3 right parenthesis raised to the x. This turns the equation into a simple quadratic in u. Step 5. Factor the quadratic. We get u minus 1 times u minus 2 equals 0. So u equals 1 or u equals 2. Step 6. Back substitute u equals left parenthesis 2 over 3 right parenthesis to the x. Case 1. U equals 1 gives left parenthesis 2 over 3 right parenthesis to the x equals 1, so x equals 0. Case 2. U equals 2 gives left parenthesis 2 over 3 right parenthesis to the x equals 2. Taking logs, x equals log of 2 divided by log of 2/3. This is negative, which satisfies x less than or equal to 0. Step 7. Check both solutions in the original equation. 4x equals 0. Left side is 1 minus 1 equals 0, and the square root of 1 minus 1 is 0. It works. For the second solution, let t be left parenthesis 2 over 3 right parenthesis to the x, which equals 2. Then 2 to the x is 2 times 3 to the x. The left side becomes 3 to the x. The right side becomes the square root of 2 to the x times 3 to the x minus 3 to the 2x, which simplifies to the square root of t minus 1 times 3 to the 2x equals 3 to the x. It also works. Final answer. The solutions are x equals 0 and x equals log 2 divided by log 2 minus log 3. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.